Hi everyone, welcome to new video. So in this video we'll see how we can create a backend application using Spring Boot, a Java based backend application using Spring Boot framework. So in our last episode or in our last video we did see how we can configure Spring Boot application in our Eclipse IDE. So today what we are going to do means we'll create an application. Okay, we'll create an application. Okay, like see what we'll be covering is we will be covering few of the important topics. And what are those important topics are we'll go through one by one each and every step. Okay, so what we are going to do, let me give a brief or give a structure and what we are going to do today is, so today what we'll make application like we'll take student or employee or customer or any example. Okay, so we'll add those data. Okay, we'll add those data from our any client. Okay, we'll add those data, and whatever the data we have stored in our application or in our we are not using any uh, database as of now, so we'll temporarily store in any variable. Okay, so we'll store that some data in a variable and we'll fetch those data from that variable using Spring Boot application. So instead of database, we'll be storing in some of data structure. Actually, data structure in this is we are not using array or normally just a variable name. We are using array list. So we'll be storing a user or a customer or a student data in a list using Spring Boot application. Okay, so we'll go one by one. All right. So first and foremost thing, what you guys want to do? You guys want to do open Eclipse IDE. Okay, so just open your Eclipse IDE. I have already opened my Eclipse IDE. So just open your Eclipse IDE and go. Eclipse IDE will take some time to load. I mean to open. So in the meantime, just open your Chrome browser, and this was the previous one which we had. So let's search for Spring again. Spring, where you want to go, you need to go for Spring Initializr. Okay. So as you can see, our Spring Initializer has been opened, so you know all of this. So now what we'll do, we'll directly go with the project metadata. So now we'll keep this as let's say, so here we'll be following a MVC pattern. Okay, so we'll keep our package name or group name as com dot let's say a company. Okay, or let's say com dot school. Okay, we'll take it as com dot company. Could be any company, you can take it. Or let's say com dot knowledge transfer, or this will be very long name, so let's keep it company. Okay, that would be better. So artifact ID, let's say company. Okay, company like this. So description you can give about whatever you want. I'll just leave it same as it is, but it is not going to give much more difference. So and here package name, I'll keep it as com dot company itself. So this much is enough. Okay. So next, let's say take it as bar, and I'll take it as 8 version. You can choose what are the version you like. And here the dependencies. So what are the dependencies we need? So I'll go for these dependencies. So you know already what is Spring Web, and it is going to helpful when you are making a RESTful application. So we'll cover what are this REST also. Okay, so just select this Spring Web, and also today or in this video I'll select one more. What is it is DevTools. So I'll just select this and I'll show you what is it actually. Okay, as of now just follow this. All right, so now click on generate. As you can see here, a zip file has been downloaded. So let's extract this zip file and import this zip file, or import this Spring Boot application or Spring Boot folder from our Eclipse. So click on OK. So that has been extracted. So I'll now go to my Eclipse. Okay, here this was the previous learning which we did. So now click a right button, or click a right button, go for import option. Suppose if you are not getting over here, just you can go for file as well. Here also you can see import option. So just select import, and here select existing Maven project. So if you're not getting this, so just search for Maven, and inside Maven, like inside Maven folder, you will get this existing Maven projects. So let's select this and click on next, and here you need to browse that. So browse which you have downloaded a Spring Boot application from the Spring Initializr, right? So you need to select the path. So just click on browse, and here in my case it is in the downloads, so I'll go for downloads, and this is my folder company. So select folder and click on finish. As I told, it will take some time to import everything, and you need to wait for that. So as you can see, it is importing, it is still is in 9%, and I think in my case it's already done now, because could be sometime it depends on your system speed as well. Okay, so yes, it's downloaded, and yeah, project has been set. Oh, okay, company, right? Yeah, company. So this is my project. So you know already pom.xml. Let me open this pom.xml. We have added one extra dependencies, right? So build tools, as you can see, this is the dependency over here. As you can see, the build tools. Okay, so let me close this pom.xml file. Okay, so now what we are going to do? Okay, so we are making a restful services, or we are creating a restful services. So what are these restful services? So before getting into the code directly, I'll go to the Chrome. I don't want you guys to go to the Chrome. Just observe over here, or just um, see over here. Okay. So suppose let's say you want to search for a car image. Let's say like this car. Okay. So if you observe in the URL, I don't know you can see the URL or not. Okay, no, you can't see the URL. No problem. So you just check in your URL. So here you can see after this google.com, you can see a forward slash, and you can see search in the question mark equals to car. So slash search, and what all we have over here, this is a API. Okay, so in google.com you are searching what? A car, could be any car. So now what this is going to do, the search will check all the keywords in our entire internet, and it is going to search. So slash search, for this search they are giving equal to name as, or the string as car. So now this google.com with this search function or the search API, car will be searched. So same thing for this we call as API. Okay, so now we'll be creating few of the APIs. Okay, so now let's expand our source main slash Java. So let's expand this. So let's expand this. So here we have our company application. So it is already annotated as Spring Boot application. No need to change over here. So I'll close this as of now. So what we'll do, we'll create a new package. Okay, we'll create a new package. So how to create a new package? It's very easy. So you can select this as well, or you can select this as well. So now inside that package, I want to create a class file or a Java file called controller. So controller. So why we are going to create a controller? So this controller helps us to provide REST services. So we'll be annotating this controller as a REST controller as well. So we'll see how we can do that. So as I told, I am going to create a new package. Inside that package, I will be creating new controller. So as I already told, package name is very important. So we need to follow the same pattern. So I'll just select this com.company, click a right button, and wait, I don't want to confuse you guys now only. So I'll give this in our next video. So as of now, I'll select source.main/java. Select this one, click a right button, create a package. So go for new, create a new package. So package. So package name, you should not make any mistake over here. This has to be same, like com.company has to be same. So let's say like this com.company. Okay, company dot. So we already have a com.company package. So after this com.company, I'm giving a one more dot, and I'm giving as a controller. Okay, so just click on finish. So as you can see, a new package has been created inside our source main Java. So now what I'm going to do, I'll click the right button and here just go for new and go for class. So inside this class, or I'm creating a new class. And one more thing, when you're creating a Java class file, so the first letter has to be in a capital letter. Remember this, okay? So I'm creating a class file or a Java class as controller, okay, controller. So no need to check this main function because we are just creating a controller. We are not creating main function. So the main function file we already have in com.company, correct? So just type control itself, and this is our package com.company.controller. It will be by default. So just click on finish. Okay, as you can see, inside our controller package we have our controller.java. Okay, so now here we'll be creating a APIs. So API, all right. So what is this API? So first and foremost we'll write a simple method. So what is the method? Could be, let's say, obviously whenever we are writing our first program we'll use hello world, right? So we'll take that. Okay, so public, let's say this method is going to return a string. So let's say string, string. Let's say method name will be greet. Greet means greeting, hi, how are you, like that. Okay, so like this. So let's say return, this method is going to return something like hello world. Okay, like this, and give a semicolon. Done. So we don't have any error over here. So now, as I told, we'll be creating a APIs, correct? So now I want, whenever I give, like same, like just like this, when I give google.com/search, it's going to search over here. So actually we are not searching as of now. So when I give the same thing, like my domain, my domain name slash, let's say hello, I want this hello word to be displayed. Okay, so let's say how to do that. You need to mention this as request mapping, or you can also give as get mapping. As of now we'll use the request mapping. We'll see that get mapping later. Okay, so let's say request mapping and open bracket. So in the double quotes just give as slash hello. You can give whatever the API name as well. Sorry, I gave as comma. Okay, hello. Okay, sorry, hello. Alright, so here you can see our error is occurring in request mapping. So this you need to import. So here you can see a bulb button, right? So you can click over there, or else you just hover this request mapping, and here you'll get import request mapping. So just click on. So as you can see from Spring Web, this request mapping has been imported. So we don't have any error over here. But wait. So see, in the URL slash hello, when I give this URL, this hello word will be displayed. Yes, but we have made a one mistake, or we have not completed this code yet. So that's because, so we have all actually created this controller class file, and this is not built-in class or not. This is a user defined class which I have defined myself, controller. I can give my name as well, no problem with that. You can give your name also. Okay, it's going to work. But we need to tell this class, and we need to tell Spring Boot that this class is a controller. How can we tell that? By annotating, correct? So here also we told this, for this company application, we told it is a Spring Boot application using annotation. And the same thing for here as well, we need to tell the Spring Boot that this file is a controller. So we need to give annotation as at rest controller, and here obviously you will get an error. So just hover that and import it, and it's done like this. So you don't have any over here. So now we'll start our application, and you run this API, and we'll check how it is going, and we'll check whether we are getting hello world or not. So now let's select this company and go for run as, go for Java application, and here in the console your application is going to start. Okay, here you need to select your application same. So our application name is company application, right? So we need to search that. So where is company application? So here I got company application. So just click on OK, and oh, I didn't save this, so just check this and click on OK. This will be automatically saved, and here in the console our application got started. Okay, as you can see, like this, Spring. So now, as I told, or I showed before, www.google.com/search, which is equal to, if we give car, we'll get a car, correct? So how can I give my URL? I don't have any domain name, right? So this is our application. So we already have a server, which is our server Tomcat, which I told you in our previous uh, video, correct? So here, if you observe over here, the port number is 8080. So now we'll run this. So everyone just go to your Chrome browser or any browser which you like. I'll just go for the new tab and type as localhost colon, what is the port name, 8080, and hit enter. See, now you're not getting anything, which is like something white label, a white error page like this, correct? So because you're just giving the domain name over here, but what is the API which we created? API name is what? Hello/hello. So same thing, after our domain name, which is a localhost slash colon 8080, just give a slash and type as hello and just hit enter. As you can see, so when I run this API, just like google.com/search, in search they are giving the argument, so we are not creating that as of now. We'll see, we can create later also, no problem. And as you can see, we just created a simple API. That API is going to give us a string as hello world. So that is working perfectly. I hope you guys understood. So this is our API/hello. So now I don't want to run this hello over here. Okay, let's say, so when I give this localhost 8080, directly I want that hello API to be run. How to do that? It's very simple. So just go to your Eclipse IDE, and here instead of hello, remove that hello and keep this forward slash directly. So when the localhost 8080 will be given, automatically it considers as, since we are not giving any API name, so this is the this method will be run. Okay, so let's save this. So just observe over here, when I save this, something is going to happen at the console. Just see, save. Okay, so as you can see, something changed, right? Means it is reloading by itself. So how it is reloading? That's because of Spring DevTools. And if we don't have DevTools, means whenever we change some modification, we need to stop. See, whenever whatever the code you change or whatever the modification you make in a Spring Boot application, you need to terminate this using this red color button, or you can close all the console, but you need to terminate, then you need to start your application. But using this Spring DevTools, so you no need to stop or terminate our server, so that it is going to reload automatically, or it is going to start automatically. Okay, so this is our company application. Just select this and click on OK. So now it started. So now okay, it's starting. So let's wait for a few seconds, and 1 2 3 and done. So now go to your Chrome browser. So as you can see, yeah, it's reloaded. That's because of our DevTools. So when I give localhost 8080, see, if I remove this hello, just click on OK. As you can see, when I give on localhost 8080, I'm getting hello world. So if I give localhost slash hello, it is not going to work because we don't have hello, right? So we'll get a white label error because we don't have this API. So we remove that hello. Whenever the actual domain is going to run, this hello world is going to be displayed. So that is what I was explaining at this point. Okay, I hope you guys understood how to create a simple API, correct, using our Spring Boot application. Very simple. So next, in next video, what we'll do, we'll create 2 more APIs. One API to add the data, and we'll store that data, and one more API to fetch the data and display in our output. So we'll see that. So as of now, we'll go step by step. Okay, we'll go step by step. Main thing to learn, learn is the main motto over here. So if you like this video, or if you understood this video only, you just give a like button and give a subscribe. But I'll be making videos, okay, because I like to share my knowledge, okay. Yeah. So if you like this video, you can give like, or if you don't like this video, or if you don't understand means, you can give a dislike. I'm just telling directly, all right. So it's all up to you, but I'll be making videos. So if you like this video, you can give a subscribe, and obviously few of the series will be coming up one by one, one by one. We'll go step by step and we'll cover everything, okay. So that's all for today, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care, goodbye, bye bye.